okay. It's alright.
Hello everyone, my name is Blue. My name is Blue. I live here in the kitchen, waiting for food. Happy Sunday, guys. Everyone, happy Sunday. The TV is very loud. TV is very loud, guys. No more. The dog is want to stay in the kitchen because they want the food. I brought him outside. He went back inside. You need to have fun outside, not just inside the kitchen. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Watch out, everyone. That's the problem. Beautiful outside, guys. It's beautiful outside. Nakaraos din. Hey. Do not eat that ginger. You don't wanna eat ginger. Madungog ba ninyo ang paan? Hindi na natin mag-TV. Panghugas ko direct plato, guys. Ako pa nang ibutang sa dishwasher, pero I need to wash my hand. So, taas na akong buhok, guys. Na akong straight karon akong buhok. Nindot kay tanawon. Magwapa raman taanig manimba. Pero pintrambaho kay bawal mag lipstick, bawal tanan, bawal magpagwapa sa among work. Simple lang, basta makaligo. But that's okay. We born as natural, right? Sometimes we need to be natural. Okay, nindot ang natural. Okay, himo man ta sa kalibutan nga natural. Hello everyone. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan sa buong mundo?